Hello, what's up YouTube students, it's your boy again, Savvy FX. In this video I'm actually going to explain to you guys a strategy that I use in calling out a trade signal just this morning on my Telegram group, and you actually made profit on that trade signal. So I'm going to be revealing to you guys a strategy that I use, but just to show you guys that it's actually true. This is today is actually Thursday, September 7, 2023, and as you guys can see clearly over here, today is September 7th, and I actually sent a signal to my Telegram group that I'm actually going short on GBPUSD, and this was when I actually jumped into the trade. I jumped into the trade around this level and I sent it to them, and I also told them to enter, but to this management, this is the proof that I told them to enter. So you guys can see you can also enter, but only with risk management, and as you guys can see we actually made profit on that trade. As you guys can see, the market went in our favor. So if you want to join this Telegram group, the link is in the description box. But so back to this video, how was I able to catch this type of trade signal, or what strategy did I use, or what did I see before actually calling out this signal on my Telegram group? So I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. If you have any question, let me know down there in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel so that I can see more of my future videos. So when I woke up this morning, I actually came to my chart. I traded new USD JPY and GBPUSD. I'm actually leaving a lot of noise from the market. I'm just focusing on two pairs right now. I'm even thinking of trading only GBPUSD, but let me just flow with these two pairs. So as you guys can see clearly, you guys can see that the market is clearly in a downtrend. How do I know the market is in a downtrend? I use two confirmations to know that the market is in a downtrend. The number one confirmation is that the market is trading below my 200 moving average. So whenever the market is trading below my 200 moving average, right, I'm going to be looking out for more of sell. But when it's trading above, I'm looking out for buys. And as you guys can also see, the market is creating these lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, showing us that the market is clearly in a downtrend. So from a layman understanding, we can know that whenever the market is going in the downwards direction or going bearish, we should be looking out for what sell opportunities or sell setups that can actually make us trade in the order flow or trade in the overall direction of the market. Because you don't want the market to be selling and then you'll be buying, or when the market is buying and then you'll be selling, you get stopped up, right? So the market is selling, I'm looking out for more of sell opportunities. So let me show you guys what I saw. So it was around this level I actually called out the sell signal. Around this level, that's when I called out the sell signal. Then we made profit. But what did I see before calling out the sell signal? Number one is that the market is in a downtrend, so I'm looking out for sell opportunities. Now if you guys can see here, the market created this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Right, this is somewhat like a high. I'm gonna call this a high, right? Because this is a retracement. If you go to the lower time frame, you're going to see that this level is actually created some high before the market started pushing to the downward side. Now you guys can clearly see that when the market created this lower high, it created a lower low, and then it created another lower high, created another lower low, created another lower high, created another lower low, created another lower high. Look at this. When it created the lower high, it pushed to the downward side. When it created the lower high, it pushed to the downward side, created the lower high, it pushed to the downward side. So the market created another lower high right here. What am I looking? I'm looking for push again to the downside. Guys, this is just simple, man. Like very simple. The market created this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is like a lower high on the 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. I'm going to share it to you guys. So when the market created this lower high, I viewed it in a point that this is actually a lower high, and then the market is going to also push to the downward side. So I didn't just jump in on the trade because of this thing I saw. So when the market just showed me this kind of lower high right here, I moved over to the lower time frame. So that's when I moved to, I think that should be on the 30-minute time frame, somewhat like that. Right, so this here, it was on the 30-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. Let me check. I think that was on the 15-minute time frame somewhere. Yeah, it was on the 15-minute time frame. So as you guys can see, this point, this level, right, this level you're seeing right here is this level on the 4-hour time frame. Is this levels on this let me point it out. Is this level on the 4-hour time frame? This point you're seeing right here, all these points you're seeing right here, is this point. All this consolidation that happened here, is that level that I'm telling, that I'm actually trying to explain. My phone is currently hanging. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, much better. So as you guys can see, that consolidation that happened here that I called lower high, right? This is it that happened right here. So I'm looking out for more of sell opportunities. So I was just looking out for something that will make me jump into this trade on this lower time frame. That's what I was actually looking out for. So what I saw is that when the market did this particular thing, it created this, came down, created this. Now when I saw this, I actually saw this thing as a double top, and from your knowledge of chart pattern, you know that double top signifies a downward direction, while double bottom signifies an upwards direction. I look at this, the market created this top, came down, created another top, and then I saw like some bearish momentum right here. I think on the 5-minute time frame I saw bearish momentum happening right here, and that's when I actually jumped in for the trade. My SL was above here, and then my take profit was here, but I didn't have to hold till take profit. I had to scalp out my profit because I think that the market was actually volatile then, right? The market was actually moving, so I was thinking that the market is going to come over to my stop or my level of entry and then maybe take me out. So I just had to take out some profit, put some of them at break even, and then just leave. Right, some of them actually smashed TP. Only one position I left open that actually I think smashed TP. So that was actually how I was able to catch the trade. I just saw double top right here, and then I went to the lower time frame. I think on the 5-minute time frame I saw momentum at this other top, and this is also a double top. So I just jumped in for the trade. My stop loss was over there, my take profit was at this level, and this level is a level of imbalance on the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, when the market just smash this level, I think the market may likely go up because it has actually filled up that imbalance on the higher time frame. So guys, easy as it looks like, or just easy as I explained, this is actually how I was able to catch that particular trade on GBPUSD. So guys, very simple, don't make it complicated. I'm just trading the direction of the market, and that was how I was able to catch this particular trade. I hope you enjoyed this video.